Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare linear regression in VS Code. First, let's set up our environment. You'll need the Python and R extensions, along with the Jupyter extension for interactive notebooks. Linear regression is a fundamental statistical method for modeling the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. VS Code offers a powerful, integrated development environment for both languages, making it an excellent choice for data science projects. We'll explore how to leverage its features for efficient analysis. Using Python, you can implement linear regression with libraries like scikit-learn, which provides robust tools for machine learning. Within VS Code, you can write your Python scripts, execute them directly, and even use Jupyter notebooks for an interactive workflow. Visualizing your model's performance is straightforward with Matplotlib or Seaborn, allowing you to plot residuals or the regression line. Python's extensive ecosystem and ease of use make it a popular choice for many data scientists. For those preferring R, VS Code also offers excellent support. You can perform linear regression using R's built-in LM, function, or other specialized packages. The R extension allows you to run code line by line or execute entire scripts, providing a flexible environment. Visualizations are easily created with ggplot2, a powerful and elegant data visualization package. R's strong statistical capabilities and rich package ecosystem are highly valued in academic and research settings. When deciding between Python and R for linear regression in VS Code, consider your project's specific needs. Python excels in general-purpose programming, machine learning, and deep learning, with hundreds of libraries available. R, on the other hand, is a statistical powerhouse, offering unparalleled tools for statistical modeling and data visualization. Both integrate seamlessly into VS Code, providing a productive environment. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your existing skills and the problem you're trying to solve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.